Must have been a serious
like
flight
GPS
failure. Can you get eyes on her?
I'm trying, but the intellicams aren't responding. There's interference coming from somewhere. Find out what's happening, Jensen. Hurry!
Pritchard?
Whoa.
Pritchard!
Where did he pull that from? I know how to navigate, right? Because it's pretty simple. I know later on in the game, because I have played this game before, a long time ago, I know you can lift up bigger things like the fruit juice machines. What is control? Hashtag. What is control? Why? Oh, that's why. Okay. Sprint. And oh. Dead. He died. He's super dead. Hey, Juggernaut. Just. Are they? Oh, they are exactly what I think they are because it says it on the sheet. Lovely. I do remember this level. I played a little bit of it to test out some streaming, make sure everything's up and running, and if the dudes are. So yeah, I mean, I did a little bit of testing and played a little bit of the. Wow, that is. Down here, right? This way goes. Oh, damn. I literally just shot everywhere but his face. That's hot. I don't know. Touch that. Oh, dude. Died in this awkward position. At least we knew you. Don't kill. Oh my god. Stop killing my friends, please.
Boss! Come get me!
Am I dead? Did I die? Good enough for me. I heard grenades. I know there's a guy here.
Intruder!
Take that. Blast. Right. Onwards and upwards. Maybe not upwards, but onwards. Whoa. Okay. What was that? Oh, hey, dude. Can I help you? Oh, hey, it's her again. Oh, big day. We double day. Oh, we triple day. They're here literally. silent because I have to concentrate on shooting because this game is so awkward. Maybe not awkward, but just quite precise, I guess.
I saw you! Here it comes! You running?
Yes, I am running. That's what I'm doing. I'm scratching my ear. Cool. Right, onwards and downwards through to blur control. Blur control. I'm really sorry that I keep dropping frames as well, because Twitch is not working. It's okay. Hey, that's all kryptonite. Acid. Acidic kryptonite, that one's too. Dude, your boots are huge.
CT probe shows the bullet caused severe hematoma. We need to repair that artery.
My God, how thick was the glass? Come on, Anna. Stay with us. He's not going to do like this. Prepare for insertion of ERCC-1 graft.
I really love this, cheesy, we can rebuild him.
Steady, steady.
He doesn't need that.
Where's that cyberarm prosthesis?
I love you.
Haven't you lost enough people today?
I'm sorry.
Those seconds away. His body can take it. Miraculous.
I think you got it, Doctor.
Give him the info link. Fine. Give me the telecom package.
Wow. I legitimately couldn't talk through that because it was just too awesome. I mean, oh, I'm quite excited. Just a teeny weeny bit turned on by that. That's awesome. Big bro. That's amazing.
Adam, it's David. You in the building?
Just enter the lobby.
Sorry to pull you out of sick leave so soon, but we've got a situation. A break-in at our Milwaukee Junction factory. Meet me at the helipad.
I have to see Pritchard first. Something's wrong with my retinal enhancement.
Frank's on the second floor in the tech lab. Make it quick. People's lives are at stake.
Oh, I can move. Oh no, everything's gone wrong. Let's do this. Right. We're half an hour left to stream, so we will get our retinal implants fixed.
My God, Mr. Jensen, I didn't think you'd... Oh, wow. I guess you're here about the break-in. Did you need directions or something?
It hasn't been that long, Cindy. I may not look the same,
Wow,
but my
shot
memory's
her
pretty
down.
intact.
Oh, I didn't
So
mean...
hard.
I mean, of course, your memory's fine, sir. It's just that, well, things have been switched around a lot ever since the... Well, since the...
Ever since the first attack?
Yes, sir. The lab floors were pretty much demolished. We're rebuilding them, but most of our researchers are working off-site now. Everyone else has been shuffled around, so if you need help finding someone...
Yeah, why
You
is
said
everyone
everyone's been moved around?
Almost everyone. Who were you looking for?
No one. I was just curious.
Thanks.
That's what I'm here for. Anything else, sir?
I'll find my way.
If you say so. It's
What
good
the-
to have you back, sir.
Screw you, bitch. I hate you.
Dr. Sandusky,
Seraph
please
Industries, may I
report
help
to
you?
Testing Lab 1C.
No, sir.
Dr. Sandusky,
Yes,
Testing
sir.
Lab
Right,
1C.
Hugh Darrow, that's who we want involved, right?
It would not be an understatement to say that Hugh Darrow changed the world as we know it. One of history's greatest visionaries and entrepreneurs, Darrow's groundbreaking work with robotics, biotechnology, has altered the very fabric of society, allowing men and women to improve their minds and bodies at
Right.
will. In
I am going to skip these. Sorry.
Attention,
to
Ellen
anyone who
Marsfield.
No?
There is a package
Right.
waiting for you at reception. Ellen Marsfield, there is a package waiting for you.
I know,
No,
but
but
Jensen, isn't it a bit early to toss him back?
He's almost fully recovered.
His
right.
body accepted augmentations with remarkable ease.
Why is David keeping the SWAT team from going in?
Not
right
exactly the ideal time.
That's a door. Ah. Dude, he's got like 16 monitors in here. Alright. Oh, Final Fantasy, that's my jam. Final Fantasy 2027. And not Cloud. So, yeah, that's this morning. It'd be really interesting to see if they actually use this character in a future Final Fantasy game. Anywho, a light cycle. Awesome. Oh, I don't remember ever actually using a bike in Deus Ex. Bit of a shame. Is Deus Ex a Square game? I guess it must be for this. I didn't know it was a Square game. Oh, I just stole his money. Well, he doesn't need his own money, right? Oh, you gain points for reading things? I'm gonna have to find everything. Ooh, piece of candy. Whoa.